It's day number 21 of the 30-day Shiba challenge, the 30-day Shiba buying challenge. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. It is October 28th, which that is a Thursday, and let's go ahead and buy Shiba. So if we go look at the price has dropped down to 63.10. But remember, we've been buying it ever since the price was 27.24. So really, even buying it when the price dropped from 72.67 to around 63.10, it's still a great bargain. So let's go ahead and buy Shiba right now. And we're going to buy $200 worth, guys. And this $200 worth, we're going to put it up a little bit higher that we've been buying it. So we're going to end up getting 3,000 Shiba, a little bit over 3,000 Shiba. So while we wait to do that, we'll go ahead and start adding the numbers in the Captain spreadsheet. And well, let's see. Well, first, let's see what the fees is going to look like. And let's find out what's going on. So yes, we've got Shiba. Let's see. We've got a total of 31 million. Now that's going to push it up a little bit higher, according to Coinbase.com. And by the way, if you don't have a Coinbase.com account, click on the link below, get started with Coinbase.com. So let me go ahead and take this here, 3, and we will put it right there as so. Let's find out the price before overview. Let's go 62.88. So go here. So we're gonna do this. And then we're going to do 62.88 price. And then we're going to go back here and going to do the wallet, view transactions. And seems like the fee is $7.67. So let's go add that in there. Transparent, completely transparent. Literally typing in exactly what's happening. $192.33. So exactly $200. We'll make sure we format this, put it right in the spreadsheet like so. And we need to change the date, and we need to change the price of today. Well, we got it. So I have profit of $900. Profit went down a little bit. It's okay. It's perfectly fine. Hey, it's a profit. And so we have more Shiba. Wait till this price goes up even higher. So once the price goes up, we go here. Wait till this price goes up again. You know what? Because earlier yesterday, well, late yesterday, this went to around 88, 89, 90. So wait till this price goes up. I'm actually glad we got it at this price, to be honest with you, because I do see possibility as we wrap up the 30 days, it can really spice up again. And look at the look at the fees. We only pay $50.44 in fees. And the amount of Shiba we paid is $12.1656. Total pay is $12.67. But our value is $21.74, which leaves us a profit of $907. Even though our dollar cost average of buying Shiba, terms of averaging buying Shiba, is 3396, but the buying price is still good at 62.88 in terms of today. So that looks really good to me, and I look forward to tomorrow when we'll continue. And yes, we did tweet it out. It just says day 21 of 30 Shiba buying challenge is complete. Let's go ahead and continue this as well. We've been buying it since every day, as you see here, since October 8th, which we had a big one here. And now $200, the most we've gotten so far. Our goal is probably to try to get, if we can get close to 50 million SHIB in 30 days, that'll be a great goal for me. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on day number 22. If you're with me, if you want to join what I'm doing, click on the link below. eToro, Webull, Coinbase.com, Binance. There's so many places you can get Shiba at. If this is something you want to do, We can do this together. Or I can continue showing what I'm doing. It does not matter. But yes, I'll see you tomorrow on the next video.